Hi, my name is Fee. In this video, I'm going to show you how to work with the Embed Elements in your Foleon. Open your Foleon in the editor. Click on Elements and drag in an Embed Element. Then a pop-up will appear. Just ask you of a URL. You can find the URL in the source of what you want to embed. For example, Google Maps. Go to Google Maps and find the location that you want to share in your Foleon. Click on Share. Click on Embed a Map. Then you find an iframe code. Copy the whole code and paste it into your notes. Find the source. This is the URL of the Google Maps location. Copy the whole source and then paste it into the Embed Elements in your Foleon. Click on Preview and click on Save. And that's how to embed your Google Maps location into Foleon. Thank you for watching.